Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. You see the sun there in the background shining on my way in. This is gonna be the intro to my Tool Time Thursday. I shot that video, the actual tool separately. So welcome back to Tool Time Thursday. And as usual, if this is your first time coming to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below, that bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, and comment. Yeah, definitely do that. And I appreciate the people who've been rocking with me, who's been doing that all these years. And thank you for, coming back and watching the videos. And somebody asked, yes, I do, not wear. I do put beard oil in my beard. Looking good, isn't it? Ooh. Maybe I should put some just for men. Nah, I like my salt and a dash of pepper. But yeah, this video, I kind of go over with this tool video. I was kind of gonna do, jack stands and the importance. Look at that. Florida said all the sun flexing on the rest of the nation. I kind of went over jack stands. So it just so happened, I have like 6 or 8 jack stands, but I have so many cars on jack stands at the moment. I kind of borrowed one from my buddy, and just so happened that it's the Harbor Freight jack stand. So I know they have been recalled before, and he said, this is the new one that they gave him after the recall. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a little test on my own just to see if I trust this jack stand or not. Morning, how you doing?
Great, have a good day.
You too, thank you. Yeah, these jack stands, but I did my own little test. I'm not saying it's a scientific test or it's the right way to do the test. It's just something I wanted to do just to see how safe the jack stands were. Sometimes, because I'm putting the car up on 4 jack stands, I'm gonna be completely underneath the car, taking off the exhaust and doing some stuff. And sometimes you're under there, you don't mean to, but sometimes a tool or something touched the jack stand, and I just wanted to check the safety mechanism of the jack stand. As you see in the video here, I just did my own test. It's not a scientific test. It could be completely wrong, but I said I did it for me, and I just wanted it to check it, and I felt safer with my other AC Delco jack stand of the same design. So here's the video of my unsubstantiated jack stand home test. All right, guys, so my buddy brought this jack stand over, and this is one of the Harbor Freight jack stand. He said this is the new unrecalled one. This is a 3-ton, and this is my AC Delco jack stand, 2-ton. So I got the front of the car already jacked up, so I'm gonna do the rear end. And I was like, I just wanna do a little test on these to see if I feel that they're safe. So pretty much they're the same style. You lift up and they drop down. So I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna go up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some pressure on it, and I'm just gonna bump this a little bit with my hand, and look, it falls down. And then there's this one, the AC Delco one. I could actually move it and it don't fall down. And with this one again, if I go like this, bump it, see, it's like it's not tight, it'll fall down. And then this one, once I put a little bit of weight on it, it'll rock, but it don't let it go. So I'm not sure if the Harbor Freight jack stand issue has been resolved. I'll say I'm not a scientist, This is just my own little personal test I did, and personally I don't feel safe using this one, so I'm gonna use my trusty old AC Delco one and put the nice shiny Harbor Freight one back to the side. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, checking the video out. As I said, I'm not a scientist, I'm just doing my own little in-home. See, I could pull on it and it still stays in. With this one, I do that and I'm doing the same amount of pressure on both. So I'm not sure if the Harbor Freight jack stand recall is good. You could use them if you want, but I'm not gonna use it. Thanks for checking out the vid, guys.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. You cut throat from the low when no love goes. Women